Dekeda. Yonela, thank you so much for your time this afternoon. Can you tell us the details around this horrific incident and when you as a department learned about this incident?
Good afternoon, Onati, and good afternoon to the viewers. Firstly, let me start by saying on behalf of the Eastern Cape Department of Health, we wish to send out our heartfelt condolences to the family and the relatives of the deceased young girl. As the department, we were officially informed of the incident last week on Friday, following the community unrest in the area, whereby the community was claiming or demanding that the facility must be closed due to the incident that has been reported. However, the department has quickly started the investigation on the matter, and now the investigation is still ongoing. And we want to alert or to emphasize the point that as the department, it is against our policy to turn back the patients away.
All right, so last week, Friday, you learned about this. It's now 5 days later. What are you still investigating? I mean, what actions have you taken since learning of this incident? Has somebody been fired or is somebody under disciplinary hearing? Because she went to the clinic, she was turned away from the clinic, went back to the police station where she later died out of her injuries. She was told at the clinic that you first have to go to the police station. We've never heard of this before.
As I said, Unati, the incident was reported to us on Friday, and then quickly the district manager, Omamot Dalin Defos, quickly went to the facility, whereby the family was also engaged through our quality assurance department, and the department is already attending, trying to redress with the family, and the investigation is ongoing. Remember, before the department can take any steps on the matter, all the department has to ensure that it follows all the proper processes in terms of the investigation, because we need to know who attended to the girl, and also if there was any treatment or the staff that was on duty did attend to the girl before she was asked to go to the police. Those are the areas that we need to establish as the department, and we need to take this matter with the seriousness that it deserves.
I would agree. Have you met with the family to get further details regarding what transpired? I mean, if you have been investigating this on Friday and all you need is to know who was attending to this girl, have you met with the family and what are they telling you?
Yes, Unati. The department has met with the family through our quality assurance manager in the Nelson Mandela Bay Metro, and we are still having ongoing engagements. I cannot divulge some of the engagements that we are currently having with the family currently, but the department is in the process of redressing the issue with the family, and the postmortem has been done, and it has been discussed with the family, and it has been given to the family, and the district as well. As the facility is still closed down, but the department is engaging with the communities and the family so that the services in the facility can be restored.
Yonela, let me understand, why is the facility closed? Is it because of the protest actions?
Yes, it closed down following the community protest after this matter, Onati.
All right. So, there's been reports, of course, that the Eastern Cape Health Department is struggling with just the basic, health services in the province, with some institutions, especially clinics, being told that large parts of them are crumbling. Is this a problematic clinic? And are you looking at this clinic as one of those that are struggling to service the people from a health perspective?
If you can repeat your question, Onati, I'm struggling to hear you due to the cars on the road.
So I'm saying that the department has come under scrutiny because of just some of its systems that are failing from a health perspective, particularly at clinic level. This Motherwell clinic, is it one of those institutions that is struggling to meet the basic health needs of residents around the area? And what are you doing about it?
Honestly, let me say that the department continues to provide health services to the people of the Eastern Cape at large, being at clinics or the hospital level, even though it is a known fact that we have a budgetary constraint. But with regards to the services, yes, there has been some complaints that has been received with this particular clinic and the department. Whenever there are official complaints that have been received, whenever we found the outcomes on those complaints that have been officially submitted to the department do take all the necessary actions towards the one who has been found to have acted inappropriately.
All right, Yonela, thank you so much for your time this afternoon. That's where we have to leave it for now. Yonela Dekeda is from the Eastern Cape Health Department, of course, saying that the department is investigating this horrific story. 15-year-old Zenizole Vena, who was gang raped and then later died at the Motherwell Police Station while trying to report the crime.